in this video, I will show you how to add reviews to Shopify Store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over in here on your left sidebar and then scroll down until you reach this Add Apps option. So just click on this one, and then this will open this actual App Store for you, but this is just a simplified version. What we need to have is this judge.me product reviews. But if you can see that on the simplified App Store, you can scroll down and you can just click on the Shopify App Store right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the actual App Store of the Shopify. Now in here, just searching here for judge. So searching here for that. And then from in there, as you can see, it will search in here for this one. You can just choose this judge.me product reviews or this judge.me AliExpress reviews if you're trying to import AliExpress product. For this one, let's head over and then click on this product reviews right here. And then from in there, just click on this install button that they have. And on this install button, we just need to actually grant them access in order to head over and then install this on our Shopify store. So as you can see right here, it is asking for access. So click on install right here. And then once you have clicked on that, as you can see, it will onboard you on the Judge.me product, and you should be able to see the dashboard of the Judge.me app. So in here, we can now see the dashboard of this Judge.me reviews. You can see that they are actually welcoming you. So where we'd like to install it, so click on this right here, which is my current theme. I only have one theme for now. Then just choose your language. For me, it's on the default of English, so I'll just choose that. Click on Start Setup right here. Then once you have enabled that, head over and click on this button right here in order to enable the app embed. It will direct you to the actual Shopify editor, and then in there you should be able to see the app embeds from there in here. As you can see here is right here. So as you can see, it's been activated. So you can head back in here on our actual first slide. Click on next step right here. After that, click on try again because it will take some time in order for it to actually install itself. So if that still doesn't happening, just take this off and then take this on again. So as you can see, we have now take this on again. So let's head over in here. And then from in there, you should be able to click on the next step right here. So once you have head over and click on the next step, you can also refresh it if it's not refreshing itself on this one. So in here, I have refreshed it. So once I have refreshed it, it will show you this again. Click on Start Setup. And then since you already enabled this, click on it again in order to enable it again. And once it's been activated, you should be redirected to this spot again. So it takes some kind of continuous trial and error to enable it because you need to manage this app itself in order to successfully integrate it on your Shopify. So as you can see, we have redirected again to the Shopify app. And then you can also have this insights right here since I already integrated it. So this is what it looks like if you have already integrated it. So here's what it looks like. So you can also try the pre-plan and you can also get some plans for yourself. And in here is your review insights if you have any. So you can also head over and manage the reviews that you have. So click on manage reviews right here. And on those manage reviews, you should be able to see all the reviews that you have. So click on import and export right here. And then search the apps wherein you want to get it. For example, you want to get it on other apps, like for example, this Yotpo, this Looks, or you can also use other apps like Clavio and WooCommerce. So for example, if you choose WooCommerce right here, just click on that and then import the reviews that is saved on the CSV file, XLS or LS, XLSS. After that, click on import right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below or subscribe with us, it helps me reach more people. See you soon.